So for guys, there are a limited number of things we can do to elevate our style, our presentation to the world. You have your fitness, your hair and your grooming, your clothing, and your accessories. Now fitness, that can be a long journey. It can take years to achieve your goals depending on what they are. Hair and grooming, now this can be quick or it could take a while depending on what you want. Clothing, now this may or may not be expensive to put together an entire wardrobe, although there are thrifting hacks and there are things you can do to find amazing clothes on a budget that I can cover in another video. But your accessories, now these are a cheat code. These are the small things that you can add to your outfit that will elevate your style instantly. In this video, I'm gonna go over my top 5 accessories that I use to elevate every single outfit that I wear from formal to casual, and I'll do my best to cover every single budget level as well. So I'll link to everything in the description. You can shop at your own convenience. The first piece that I wear with every outfit is something on my wrists. Yes, both my wrists. I always wear a watch on my non-dominant arm and either a bracelet or a fitness tracker on my other arm. Now, since fitness is a huge part of my life, the fitness tracker does double as a functional piece as well as a style piece. But a good watch doesn't mean it has to be an expensive one. For example, the watch I wear most often is my Timex Weekender with 90% of my outfits, and you can get one for under $50 on Amazon. They're rated super high quality. It's a great brand. Timex makes some amazing watches that aren't super expensive. Now, another watch I wear is my Seiko Couture if I'm feeling a little frisky. If I'm going formal, I would opt for something like a Tissot Dream with a leather strap or a stainless steel strap, depending on what the outfit actually is. And you can get one of those for under $300, and it's a really great quality watch to wear with any formal outfit. Now for bracelets, a few years ago I was gifted this John Hardy bracelet. This is my typical go-to piece since it's really minimal, it matches everything, it has some sentimental value. However, I do realize John Hardy runs close to $1,000 for their jewelry, so an affordable alternative that I'd recommend you guys check out is Jackson, Jaxxon. You can get a silver chain for under $100, and it's really high quality stainless steel. It's not gonna leave that green finish on your skin. They also sell bundles of matching chains with bracelets that are really cool, just a little bit above $100, I believe. And they come in both gold and silver, so you can pick which color is best for you. And these really just take minimalist outfit up a notch, and it's a really nice subtle touch that you can add. So the next accessory that I use to level up my outfits is a high quality leather or canvas belt, depending on the formality of the outfit. Now, a belt, of course, has a functional use of holding up your pants, but there are also several other things a belt accomplishes outside of functionality. The first thing it does is it defines your silhouette and your proportions. What does that mean? So a belt breaks up your outfit. It creates a more structured and intentional look. If you have a long torso, it can actually help balance your proportions out by dividing your body visually at the waist if you get a color that pops from your outfit. Now, if you're a guy who's a little bit on the shorter side, then your best bet would be to match your belt with your outfit. So when someone looks at your outfit, there's no breaking point. So it can actually give you some visual height by matching your belt to your outfit. Now for athletic guys or muscular guys, a belt can really highlight the V taper by emphasizing, a larger shoulder, chest, back area and a skinnier waist. And so a belt can help emphasize that a little bit more by showing the waistline. So that's just one style piece a belt can do. The second thing a belt does is it adds a put together look even in casual outfits. So a belt does signal that you're paying attention to the details, and it makes an outfit appear finished rather than something that was thrown together quickly. So for example, a well-matched belt with shoes or your watch straps or accessories creates a nice cohesion in your outfit. So for dressier occasions, a belt acts as a refined accent piece that can help elevate your overall look. So the general rule that I tell most guys who are trying to match their belts is to match leathers with leathers and metals with metals. However, this rule can be broken sometimes. For example, if you're wanting to wear white leather sneakers, for example, I wouldn't recommend a white leather belt unless you're just feeling up to it and you want something to pop. But in that case, I would say maybe opt to match your belt to the outfit rather than your shoes, or opt to match your belt to your watch strap rather than to your shoes. So if you want your shoes to pop with some color, then pick a belt that will match the rest of the outfit. But generally, match leathers to leathers, metals to metals. Now my go-to belts are from Anson Belt and Buckle, who's also today's video sponsor. Not only are Anson high quality full grain leather, which is the best type of leather that you can buy, but they're also stylish and they're holeless, meaning they have a micro adjustable solution. So instead of 5 holes that are an inch apart, you have 30 plus options that you click a 1/4 inch apart. So you can literally find the perfect fit every time. Maybe your waist is fluctuating sizes a little bit from week to week or month to month. You can find that perfect fit by using this holeless micro adjustable solution. And they do make belts for every single occasion, from formal to casual. They have canvas belts with colors that pop. If you're going for something formal, I'd recommend the 1.25 inch belts, something a little bit slimmer for your formal, suits or business formal. If you're going a more casual outfit, the 1.5 inch belts are your best bet for that. Something a little bit thicker will be a good match with a casual outfit. Now you can mix and match your own box from Anson for $99, and this gives you 3 belts and 2 buckles, which gives you a total of 6 different belt combinations. If you were to go buy 6 belts at the store, you'd be spending way over $100. So for $99, you can get 6 different belt buckle combinations that you can match for every single occasion that you might have in your life. They also have a lifetime guarantee. If anything happens to the functionality of your belt, maybe the micro adjustable, something breaks, they will replace it for free. That's the kind of business they are. Their customer service is top notch. They're the only belt company that I go to now. So be sure to check out my link in the description to check out Anson Belt and Buckle. Third accessory to elevate your style is a sleek wallet or card holder. Now, my personal favorite is from Peak Design. This card holder is incredible. It is sleek. It holds up to 7 cards. It also combines with their Peak Design phone cases in a unique magnet system. So you can magnetically hold your wallet and phone together, and this magnet is strong. It does not come undone. You can shake it, you can drop it, the wallet and the phone will stay together magnetized. So you can also double the wallet as a phone stand. So you can use it to prop your phone up in vertical or horizontal orientation. So not only is this card holder functional, but it's incredibly stylish. They have a lot of really cool colors so you can use to match it with your outfits or match it with an occasion. I typically opt for the charcoal gray just because it's a versatile color that matches every single outfit that I would wear. So that's the color that I picked for my phone case and for my card holder. And every time I use this phone wallet combination in public, somebody comments about how cool it is, how functional it is. And I've also gifted this thing to so many people, they absolutely love it. So if you want a really stylish wallet accessory that's also incredibly functional, check out the mobile wallet and phone case combination from Peak Design, specifically their card carrier if you're just looking for a wallet. The fourth accessory that every guy should wear is a signature fragrance. Your scent is definitely a part of your presence. People will remember how you smell, good or bad, right? It's the easiest thing you can do to elevate your image, and there aren't many magic pills out there for instantaneous change, but this is pretty damn close to one. So choose a signature cologne that fits your vibe if you're going for like a woodsy or a fresh or a clean or a spicy. Just to fill you in on some of my personal favorites, for daily wear, I prefer the Dior Sauvage cologne, the Eau de Toilette, or the Eau de Parfum. Both are amazing. For date night or a fancier dinner, I'll probably wear something like La Nuit de l'Homme from YSL or Versace Eros. Another daily favorite, I don't know if you remember the Abercrombie Fierce cologne, but one that smells almost identical to it and is way less expensive is Mont Blanc Legend. So Mont Blanc Legend is one that I wear almost daily in addition to my Dior Sauvage. I'll kind of go between both of those. So a signature scent is definitely something you want to add to elevate your outfit and just your presence overall. Last but not least, a stylish pair of shades. Now for sunglasses, I don't care what the brand name is. I only care if it fits my face and it shapes my face well. I have lost or broken so many sunglasses that I can't afford or want to spend hundreds of dollars on any designer brand. I personally just look for a pair of aviators. I think aviators are the best sunglasses a man can wear, and here's my argument for why. The first is that they fit every single face shape, no matter what. I've never seen a face shape that aviators look bad on. Aviators have a balanced teardrop shape that complements oval, square, heart, round, diamond, triangle faces. It looks great on every single one. The wider lenses really helps balance and create symmetry, making them one of the most flattering options that men can wear. Unlike small or boxy or trendy frames, these can clash with a lot of guys' facial proportions. I've only ever seen aviators enhance features without overpowering them. The second reason why I think aviators are the best is they work with every single outfit, every single occasion. If you're going casual, t-shirt and jeans, effortless and cool. If you're going business, metal frame, aviators with a suit, power move. If you're sporty or you're wanting to wear something more outdoorsy, aviators that have polarized lenses, they are functional for driving, hiking, fishing, everyday wear. Unlike a lot of the more fashion forward styles, aviators never look out of place. And that leads me to my third reason why, is they are timeless and iconic. I mean, World War II fighter pilots wore these. How much more iconic and timeless can you get? So if you're looking for a nice pair of shades, get yourself a pair of aviators to really elevate your look. Now I did include a bonus accessory on here, so this would be my sixth one. This one, I left it off the main list because it can get kind of pricey, but I would still recommend, if you want to make the investment, is a really nice leather bag or a leather backpack. A leather bag adds a level of polish and sophistication that really elevates your outfits, right? It signals confidence, organization, attention to detail. Unlike something like a nylon or a canvas bag, leather ages really well. It develops a nice, unique patina over time, and a well-crafted leather bag can last decades with proper care. So this would actually make it a much smarter investment than constantly replacing cheap bags. So full grain leather is the recommendation. They're highly durable, resistant to wear and tear. They become better looking over time. So it's definitely one of these buy once, cry once investments that really adds a level of sophistication that you don't get from other types of bags. So once again, accessories, ultimate cheat code to elevate your image. There's something that instantly elevates your look, and there aren't many things in life that you can say that do that. A lot of good things take time, take hard work, take energy, but accessories are one of the things that you can just pop on and boom, it works like magic. So I'll link to everything I mentioned in the description, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.